today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup routine. Right now I am bare. My eyebrows are not done at all whatsoever, and my face is moisturized. So I want you guys to get a full version of my face beating. I know I gotta stop popping my lips. That's mad ratchet. But you know what? You can take the girl out the hood, but you can't take the hood out of the girl. So for my eyebrows, I do use Wet n Wild micro brow pencil. So what I do is I do line my brows. I just line them because I did it too hard. Please be a little gentle so you don't break it. Fuck, I'm pissed right now. I just line my brows. That's it with the pencil. And I do use the spoolie and, you know, the angle brush. I have Artistry Studio 3-in-1 Brow Shaper, which my sister gave. You know, my sister sells. Shout out to my sister Giselle. You want any artistry makeup, holla at her. This stuff is the bomb. So, you know, put some on the pencil. I mean, on the angle brush. You need a pencil. I'm just telling y'all all the wrong thing, and I just color it in. I like for my brows to look as natural as possible. I know some people, they come outside and they look like they used a permanent marker on their eyebrows, but not me. Put on some concealer under my eyes. And I'm actually using ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color medium 22. And I just dab it here, and I dab some here. Under my eyes, it depends on what kind of look I'm going for. Right now, I'm hooking my shits up right now because I did work this morning and I am tired as fuck. So, and blend it in. This concealer is so natural looking. Like it looks like my skin tone. And I actually like to wear this. This is good concealer because you want to get concealer if you want a natural look, especially if you're just gonna wear concealer just under your eyes. Now see, I put it all over my face, but that's because, you know, I'm gonna, you know, put on foundation. But if you're not gonna put on foundation, you could just dab a little bit under your eyes. You know, blend it really good. Blend it really, really good. So, blend it really good. You hear me? I keep repeating myself. Blend it really, really good. So you can have just like under your eyes covered. You don't have to do too much all around or whatever. Fun. So I'm going to use my Jeffree Star Morphe palette. Morphe is lit. I have another Morphe palette, but I'm going to use my Jeffree Star because I'm using my Jeffree Star brushes. I really don't know what color to use. This is so beautiful. A pretty color, Mr. Diva. And I'm just going to put that around here. This is going to be like, you know, in my crease. Very natural. Very simple. And you just want to, you know, blend it in. However you like. You know, some people do different things. Me, I'm very simple when it comes to makeup. Really quick and fast. I don't be doing all that extraness. So I'm gonna put designer label on. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. Oh wow. You know, just a natural beat. I like to look natural. Now, as far as my eyelashes go, that's a different story. My eyelashes be looking like, hello, what's good? Fuck is popping. I'm here. Roll the cameras. What's up, boo? I'm like, what's up, daddy? You coming to get me or nah? Interesting. So I'm gonna put some girl over here. And I was really just dropping everything, so I had to like start over. Now I know everybody likes to do their makeup different, and I like to start with my eyes first because I don't know why, I just do. I be seeing some girls. Listen, I do not know how to do a wing for shit. And let me tell you what trick I be using to do my wing. I take a fork and I be like, or a piece of tape. It's so funny. I'm gonna show y'all my eyelashes right now that I'm using. It's not these, not this pair. I'm using this pair, Mesmerized by Bella Facade. Shout out to my girl. And you're gonna see how they look on me. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna look popping because I look popping in anything. Hello. Really long and dramatic, let me show y'all. So while my lashes are getting a little tacky, I'm gonna put on my Fit Me foundation, which I am in love with. And I'm Sunbeige 310. I absolutely love this foundation. Like, it's so flawless. I'm gonna use my flat brush. This is a foundation brush. I like to use a flat brush. Make sure you get your neck. Right, so now that I did that, before I blend it, I'm gonna put my eyelashes on because they look like they're already dry. Everybody makes it seem like it's so hard to put on eyelashes. It's not. It's so simple. 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, now I got these lashes on. These are really dramatic. These lashes are like, don't even fucking play with me, nigga, if you wanted to. The fuck you talking about? Shit. I could find another you real quick when I bat my eyes. I do like to use powder contour. And when I put my contour, I'll put it right here, in the corners, in the motherfucking corners. Then it's time for bronzer, because I like bronzer. And a little secret, bronzer can be a form of baking powder, a setting powder, so you can set your face with bronzer if you don't have setting powder. Oh my gosh, I look so beautiful. That girl about to get a man. Whoa. Being that my eyebrows ain't done, I definitely put that under. Because I put that on because I want no one to know that my eyebrows are not done. Do I need brown or cocoa? I think I'm gonna use cocoa. I'm almost done. My highlight. Highlight is a girl's best friend. Listen, you put on as much as you like. I remember one time somebody was like, oh my gosh, she puts on too much highlighter. Bitch, bye. Okay? This is so that you niggas know that I have unicorn pussy and I'm fucking lit. The fuck is you talking about? I can have as much highlight as the fuck I want.